Turning your farm into a profit powerhouse with Nabhitha Engineering's millet processing machines. Are you a farmer looking to boost your income? The secret lies in Nabhitha Engineering's millet processing machines. Featuring advanced and efficient mechanisms, these machines are designed to deliver higher production yields with superior quality millet. Choose from our range, tailored to suit your needs. Whether you're looking for low horsepower or a customized machine, we've got you covered. Each Nabhitha Engineering machine is engineered to perfection, ensuring maximum productivity and minimal maintenance, thus increasing your profitability. But it's not just about profits. By choosing Nabhitha Engineering, you're choosing a sustainable way to process millets, conserving resources, and promoting healthy farming. Join the League of Smart Farmers today. Give your farming business a real boost with Nabhitha Engineering's millet processing machines.